In front of me is iPhone 16i, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to passwords autofill. Begin by opening Passwords app and entering your current passcode. Now select this plus at the bottom right corner and input all of those informations to add your password. When you finished, hit save at the top right corner to add it. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!